Sayuki. Oseverio. Ah. Who were meeting? Come on, we're getting here. You got to get in a way. No one look me away. No one look me away. Wow, what's why you're back home? Get to the Freddy. Who's that Freddy? No, done. Never go. Eh? Let me see. Cool.
Maybe I run. Sawa Selia. Osakba no yakora no. Osawe no se mani. Magu.
O ka mi o le Freddy muri. Hey, e Freddy ni o ni bobo iten. Oh say oh no. Hey! When I made the girl, you make it. Hey, Papa! Hey! When was in here? We are going bay. And they go and eat manopana. Then I wear the market where not in another yana. Where I'm new, where I make anyone, oh, you know, say no. Freddy! Okay, let go. I say. A Freddy ni. Ogwa azegbe. Ohie yamu. Ona yamu ni boku. Osi mani ni Benin age. Eni boku yamu.
Soke.
Oyi tete.
Soke. Ameti ani. Uta lo sene. Emi no uta. Ade uta ni.
Sayuki. Alo bia ye.
No yo ba.
Ah, eni ta se.
Soke do woni do awora. Omo no mezi ma we awo say. Ariogwa.
Agwa lo ya gbe. Esi mo ro we gba agwa lo ya gbe.
Ariogwa. Ugie kwa amu. Wo na me kun say. E je me zo say ma me zo sagbo. Ona na mama na. Awe me mezi ma. E bo na ya gi mezi ma. Ada ni.
Oh man.
Fred.
Yes, darling.
I have told you before, and I am still saying it again now. Fred, I am tired of this place. I want to go back to America, Fred. I'm tired. The environment, the smells. Fred, take me back.
Honey, I don't understand what you're saying. Huh? I thought we've talked about this before. Huh? Why coming up with this issue of you want to leave Nigeria back to America? Why?
Okay.
I can't tell you, man. There's no need for that.
Fred, if you can't take me back, at least take me to a good hotel. There are good hotels around. Take me there. I can't. Okay, fine. I can take every other thing you ask me to take. I can manage. But your mom stinks. Yes, she don't bathe properly. When she talks, it's a mess. Can't you see?
Yes, man.
She stings. Even as she's standing here right now, she smells. I can't take it, Fred. Please take me back. I would just die. I would die. I don't know if you brought me here to kill me. I can't. Your mom, she stings. I can't. Even as she's talking right now, she still stinks. Tell her to stop talking. Oh my God, I'm tired. Fred, I'm tired.
Anyway, Eboya no ya eti ebo me no are. Era no America we no America uha. You go.
Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Eboya no ya eti ebo me.
Say something.
Stop it. Stop it. What is wrong with you?
You go.
You disrespecting my mother. For what? I'm here, sitting down here with you, and right in my face, you're disrespecting my mother. Why? What are you telling me? What the F you telling me, man? What is wrong with you?
But I'm spilling the facts. Your mom.
Now you listen. If you want to get back to America, you can go back to America for all I can. Okay? And stop disrespecting my mother, okay? What is wrong with you? This is Africa. This is not America. I will take that shit from you next time.
You're shouting at me, Fred. You're yelling at me, Fred. Fred is shouting at me. Oh no, Fred, you're yelling at me. I can't take this. No, I
America woman. America woman. Eruka yawo. Unyime character of Igweriye. Unyime we character change of Igweriye. Ha! Well, what on happy what's no?
It's Fred. Fred is not happy with me. Fred is angry with me.
Freddie mo unugwe. Well, what's no? What happened?
He's angry with me. He said since we came to Africa that I've been controlling him, that I made him do things he's not been doing. He's just complaining. He's angry with me. His mother, his mother, they're all angry with me. I don't know what happened. I'm just tired. I don't know what to do.
Mother Onyo is angry with you. Wait, we are seven. You're angry with you. When we are here. What do you do? Then agree.
Fred said I am controlling him. He said I don't listen to him. He said I make him do things he's not supposed to do.
Okay, hear me, Lieutenant. I usually not talk. Respect husband, give him.
No. I can't respect him.
Respect husband, give him. Respect husband, give him. I respect all dog.
Listen to me. Over there in US, husband respect your wife.
US, odo, anything. Tiens, husband respect. Odo, odukun, husband, odo, that for one. Aya de bi, okbeyahi. Awa tigwe, ohyanwene, udigwe, ohyansamene, udigwe. Awa respect odo, aya de bi. Food, give her, nidan.
Do you mean I should kneel on
odo?
I should kneel for him and give him food?
Yes.
No, I can't do that.
Ha! Awa nidan odo for one, no. Odo, husband, odo for one. Respect, give him.
I can't respect him. He's to be the one. He's the one who's to respect.
Support me.
I can't do that. He's the one who's. No.
Support me. He must support. Husband, I love you, little Tonia. Fred. Open almost say no. Every do say husband, I respect Well, here's something on Yahweh. Who need to digwe?
Wait. All you're saying right now is that I should respect him. I shouldn't treat him the way I'm doing right now. I should give him peace, give him all in one.
Oh, I found one.
You say what?
Oh, found shot, husband, shot.
When he's shouting at me, I should keep quiet. I should be mute. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've heard you. I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
It's bad.
I'll think about it. Thank you.
Get it. Where you are, who can boy in here? Egui, not forgive. Every new way, forgive me, husband.
If I respect him, he will forgive me.
Okay.
I'll do that.
Snap.
What did you just say?
Happy. I snapping you. Me snapping you. Pose where? Come here, boy. Hey, Obi.
So, Mama, you know, some weird Fred. Oh, well, son. You're not good.
I mean, Fred, they found your mom.
We found one right. We really won't cover it. I will tell you why you ate in your heart. I won't work for you, and you know about I won't have this for you, I know it is all I mean. I'm not welcome now that I want you. And I'm not for. You have to say your word. And you look at your body. I will help. Help you. I want to be ready. You have to fast food. I want to get ready. I know what you know. I mean, hopefully, one of it. America, you want? I will America. You can't watch, I will. You don't look at my phone. It's ready. It's ready. Bring it up with that one. It's ready. Now you're listening to me.
Oh, he's general. Oh, what pony? Oh, he a love of care. Oh, women, ma. On a do ye more for him now. A Freddy no, a bag the way a bear hobby. A bear hoye, ye a key cooking a diggy. Every head ye me now. Head ye me now. I that soon. I that soon.
I'm where brown is by the way. There is no anymore. I'm not easy. That couple will react in Freddy. Oh, I said, I saw it. Who would you 1 million you are?
Oh, no. Why you come and do like this? No, I can't eat.
I'm a picture one. Okay, you want
take photos.
Can you book kind of a touch? You can touch.
This, you press this and just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nimwe.
Yes, no. Are you true?
When?
Okay, wait.
Avero.
I like this place.
Oh, this is Kodo.
Yeah, come closer.
No. Oh.
I want
You want a big one?
like this. I want the whole your place to just stop like this. Yeah, your environment. Yeah. Why are you like that? That is not how to snap.
We're not making our more say.
Snap.
Mama say, oh, run your what baby, mama. So, just send me on. Just
It's okay. Another one.
Ove. Oh,
Another one.
America.
See, don't go and fall.
Again, your Freddy.
My friend? Friend, yeah?
Your Freddy.
Yeah.
Oh, this friend there. Before, friending.
You speak English?
English, man. A friend, you already know our friend there. Marry.
You mean my friend?
Hey, Freddy.
Married to her?
Before, friending.
They kissed and all.
Freddy.
My friend!
Freddy.
Oh my God! Let me have my phone. Friend! You mean they kissed? Oh no! Friend!
Freddy, fish on a magamu, senior. Mudia Americana.
Yeah. You see, so I'll definitely come back, say 2 weeks time. Yeah, you know, a holiday my union, so I'm good. Now I boss it, I know that's my problem, you know.
Fred.
Everyone wants to know, isn't it? Honey?
Fred, you've been lying to me.
Lying to you as a how?
Fred, you've been lying to me.
Honey, I don't understand.
So you have a woman here and you never told me about it?
Myself?
Yes.
I
just found out today that that girl that came here the other day, what's her name again? I don't know. The girl that came here the other day, that she's your girlfriend.
Oh, you mean,
I don't know.
You mean my classmate way back in school?
Fred, you're lying. She's not your classmate. Fred, who is that girl to you?
Honey, I told you.
Fred, you know I don't like lies. Who is that girl?
Well, you know I can lie to you, and I never do that. Okay. Well, she was my ex. Yeah, that's it.
Fred, and you never told me about it.
Honey, but we stopped dating as soon as we met over there in the US. Yes, when you agreed to marry me, to be my girlfriend, then I ended the relationship here in Africa. I can have somebody as beautiful as you are, then I will not be like, you know, talking to somebody in Africa, a low lifer, somebody, a bush girl. No, you know you are a beautiful girl. I love you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. Yeah, that's it. You're my beauty, you know that.
Are you sure you're not lying to me?
Honey, I can never lie to you. Okay? Okay, now, okay, you take a look. Okay, for a very long time, we haven't been communicating. Now, I came back here to Africa with you. Okay? She had and she came. What happened? Then you barricaded and you stopped her not to hug me. Okay? So ever since, have you seen her here?
No, I don't want anybody to take you from me. Fred.
Nobody's gonna take me away from you, my sweetheart, my darling.
Are you sure about that?
I'm telling you.
You promise?
I promise you that nobody here on earth is gonna take me away from you because I love you so much. You're my everything. You're my backbone. You're the one I love. Day, night, all the time, you are the one I love.
Just me alone.
Just you.
Okay, it's okay. You're forgiven.
Thank you, my beautiful.
Let's go inside.
The love of my life, my everything, my honeycomb, my sweetheart.
Madam, excuse me, I'm talking to you. Why are you sweeping dirt on me? Why are you sweeping dirt on me? Do you want to spoil my skin? Do you know how much I spent on this skin of mine? You stinking dirty woman, why are you sweeping dirt on me?
Me dirty woman. Me dirty woman.
Of course you're
me
a dirty
woman.
You stink. Yeah, you stink. Anytime you pass by, you stink.
Fred,
I don't even know why he brought me here. I've told him that I can't stay here. I want to go back.
dirty woman.
You dirty.
Be
You
dirty.
smell. You
Everybody
stink.
me honey. Igba honey, but you honey. Ime here aru ya buku. Ari kegbe ha me gbelegbe. Obo ke fi edigbe. Ime dirty. Ime dirty.
I don't know what you're saying. Fred! Where's Fred?
What?
Fred!
Fear.
You're sweeping dirt on me.
Be dead.
Leave the way I want to pass. Leave! Leave! Leave, you stink! Fred! Where's Fred?
Àwọn ko mi le agbe won. E fi ade. Ola gbe won. Okorun mura agbe won. Obe lagwa no, lagwa no bo ni lagwa. Ya so gba adu o. Ya so gba adu. O dasi. Owe na ya ni wala ke na to wa ni bubo. Noria Nehina. Oba mama we mama. Do wano we ho no waje na ya Nehina.
Indeed.
Friend,
Absolutely.
call me.
What about the time when I was Absolutely. Yeah, we me.
Ebi ma. Ebi ro pe ma we.
What's in the name of my
Ogbo eboru mu rere Selina ogbe won. Eseli agbe won.
the sending out with him.
O kan won no wa yare. Ebo popano ya ti ebo mi. Ebo popano ya ti ebo mi. Ire imeti yan pa mu we no we me dirty. O we me dirty. Oni we wa nu ya buku. Eri kere gbe meje. Ya kan ba wo ke Fred no mu ke America re o we me dirty. Ebo gba me lo ya ti ebo be. E no sayuki e wo sayuki be ni e wo sayuki se. Sayuki me gbe e mo hade. Ma be ge as so jo we no ra gbo na ya jo we no ra emi ge ifagbuare.
Well, amen. Up by Modibo, where now you're talking about Sayuki. Yes, huh? Now, woman, no come on, no advice if you were nearly your bobo where you get to look over Nigeria. When I want me where we bring near Kolubodo. Can't hold you. Yes, of course, because wherever selling and you can't try where he went Sayuki, but we insisted where in Yokobodo. Oh, yeah, in Yokobodo, yeah, okay, fine, yeah, the African men, I'm young, eh? And I am Wetania, born where you say, there must be something or the other say, or not, who were going with your name.
There's not something of fear. Ekbolo, Elo, Eton, Ella here, Ekpapa. Ya wa ya polo deni, e fo bi. E mi o pa le ron iwe o de Selina no we ga bi, iwe we se. I ga le ba we shit.
You be oy.
E bi oy.
Yes.
I ga popo wo ma huwa. Eleton, fi o pa le ron ba e o e ya bebe.
Yeah, obi oy. E bi no really ta bi oy. Be ni ka ta si. E ka no ko we. O we deko. E deko. Eh? Wa be ge e we bo na won we bo ji. O ma e we gba be gbe win na na gba kini kwa to na be wa Africa na. O ge je ma e we de. I kept do ayo gbe polo na. E kept do a le ba e be jo na do a we na do wa company. We bo je bi o. Eh? She's not used to that kind of life.
Wa ru bi ebe.
You be oy.
E bono koko wa ya ti ebo me. Wa se bono koko ya ti ebo me, o we be dirty. E Selina we be dirty.
You be oy.
Imi ya fi e gbe me.
Okay. Why have you my boy? For me, a man, the Atayoni. If not in the time, our ye, Obioi. Obiega had to worry the total. Obiega getting a cake for the man of America. So for the now, if you not really Bioi. West.
I want to see. Bioi.
Ah, man, it's a tiago one.
Ama bi ebu ma leti le mo pe abi owo ke mi ka be ja me yo re to se
Kaka.
Soke.
America girl, what's so?
Soke. Hey, I did that. Wow. How old are you? Oh, how many words you might be forward? Who are the Americana deal with me? Who are the Americana deal with me?
Oh, Oswe Mako. Yay, everybody was begging my way. Be my wagwania. Here we lago wo. Man, I come about where. Ebona. Imana come about where. Lago where cooking your when if your woman. Ebona near ya. Give my way. Lago wo my way class up ba. One when it's time away. Yay, I be my beggar. Yay. Mama we make class up ba. Egedi me na ho. Ega muta. We ma we ga ko. Iga ro we na. Me ga ro we na no we. Iga ro we na. Ni wa ya hen Americana. Americana. Oya zela be na ya me. A glass. Ipata ke pon. Yo dele ya fi o me. E te wota ba na e ate. Mama, yahoo mama. Ele me na we ya tire yahoo mama. E ate me yahoo mama, I know where.
It's okay.
You know where.
It's okay. Oge ni weta ba we. Edi ya we wona. Edi ya we wona. E olade. E be no lele, me di ulele. Ile le wa jogbo. Ile le wa pon. Ni ku we samia.
Devinu me. Devinu o ma me ropa no. Get out.
Only mess okay.
Get out, you are not set issue.
Alagbe.
Don't ever try it. Don't ever try it.
Don't
ever try it.
Adiogwa. Soke. Soke.
Ah shit.
Alagbe.
Ah shit.
Alagbe. Ebe fasino a. Ogi gbiwa kan o ma me ke gba la.
Oh, you can wait.
Una we be mo ti agba.
Venu webeje. Venu gugwe na ye na. Egbi bata na gba lo gugwa. Apala.
Odane no egbe soke.
Odane no.
Adane no egbe.
Bega ekume je keniche. Be na ku mi nai. Ba gbe ba ko.
Agada, uki agada.
Kume hia.
Soke na.
Get a wasu.
Soke na agada o. Soke hia agada. What do you need better there? Mo wa de
Fun wa fi puta wa.
Uma wa de bueku. Uma wa de bueku. Soke ne buemu. Ana da we wa aya you mother akare no nya be akwa ku we de ba. Fu da make no gwa we so.